What's the name of your character and description?
Okay. Here in Look at First Sight, I play Diane. As you see sa outfit ko, she's kind of boyish, very practical, laging ready tumakbo kung may mga kailangan siya biglang gawing discard sa buhay. So, si Diane, yun nga, very ano siya, very on the go palagi. Hindi siya typical na babae na alam mo tagal mag-ayos, kailangan ganito, kailangan ganyan. Kasi masyado niyang mahal yung pamilya niya. So, lahat gagawin niya para sa kanila. And because of that, minsan nakakalimutan niya rin yung sarili niya. So,
How did you prepare for your role?
siguro because the story came from us. Parang ngayon ko pa lang din linalaro yung character. And of course, Direk Dan. May mga moments na kailangan ko talaga magtanong sa kanya kasi hindi pa ako ever nakaka-play ng ganitong character na medyo tomboyish nga. So, although this is basically what I wear din naman everyday in real life, parang I asked for help, for pointers kung paano ba ma-in love kung ganitong klaseng tao na yun nga, masyadong selfless.
Ano yung, may mga learnings ka na ba for this film?
Definitely.
Compared sa mga
This is what I've been trying to push with this movie na hopefully the people who watch it will believe in magic again. I mean, or even just a sense of magic na you felt when you were young that gave you hope. Sana lahat tayo mabalik natin yon na kahit matanda na tayo, kahit nagtatrabaho, kahit busy, kahit kampante ka na sa relasyon mo, kahit broken-hearted ka ngayon, may dadating at dadating sa buhay mo na something magical that will change your life. Na it doesn't actually have to be magic. Sometimes love can give you that feeling, trust or hope. So, yun lang, that we want people to leave the cinema with that feeling in their hearts.